the 10 reserve seats which were being filled in.
2018 का जो था, that was the first general election under this new system. ये जो Election Act 2017
Right.
और Election Rule 2017
18 का
उसमें कोई the very peculiar problem that we are facing on the facts, I mean, that apparently did not exist. And presumably all the seats were reserved seats were filled in.
Yes, despite the independence.
So, उसका हमें जरा kindly example देना. Maybe that may be better because then we can ease more readily. अब 2002 का पता नहीं अब क्या था.
उसका मैं थोड़ा सा इसलिए कह रहा हूँ वो आपको
2018 का जो under the new regime electoral regime आया और इसमें apparently मेरा मतलब इस किस्म का कोई
मतलब हम इसमें एक्चुअली आज जो हमारी पोजीशन है ना उसकी एक्चुअल फिगर्स लेके आप बना दे पंजाब का.
मैं इसको तो जरा इसको लेट मी पुट इट
थोड़ा सा है ना उसमें आप कह रहे हैं कि 5% माइनस हो गए
इसमें अटॉर्नी जनरल
लेकिन ये जो प्रोविजन
अटॉर्नी जनरल
क्रिएट हो रही है.
इलेक्शन कमीशन ने इसी रूल के तहत कैलकुलेट की थी इनिशियली SIC की भी काउंट करके, लेकिन उन्होंने उसको एलोकेट नहीं की थी बिकॉज द मैटर वाज सब जुडिस
and the status of the party was not clear yet at that time.
That in itself in this election 2024, these by treating SIC as a political party, they had made this allocations and distribution according to this rule.
My lord, brief response. When the first time allocation was made, the status from what I have seen and from the record, the status of SIC as a political party was not clear for the purpose of 51(6). That decision on the status of that party being entitled or not to the reserve seats was taken later on, and then when that decision was taken and they were treated as independents, Rule 94 read with Rule 95(2) was applied. Now let me take a pause here. I'll come back to what my lord has observed that 2018 is something we should look at, but
आप जरा
the
92
overarching
Rule 92 देखें please. That's where this chapter starts. Rule 92.
which sub rule or which rule? Sub rule?
Sub Rule 6. But read the heading first.
Elections to reserve seats in National Assembly, Chapter 6.
आगे पढ़े ना
Yes.
92.
Election to seats reserved for women and non-Muslims.
And then come to Sub Rule 6.
Yes. Ji. Purpose of this rule, the expression total number of general seats won by political party shall include the independent returned candidate or candidates who may duly join political party within 3 days of the publication in the official gazette of the names of the returned candidates. This is the
The
proviso.
formula doesn't say that you will deduct. I mean, what I'm trying to understand is that you want us to take out 95(2) and read it along with 94 and 92 to say that when calculating the total number of seats won, we will deduct the seats of the independents.
No, that's not what I meant. What I meant was that
A
the
minus B
proviso.
तो यही है ना?
जी नहीं, जो B है अगर आप उसकी explanation देखेंगे, जो B जो है वो page
Total number of independent return candidates.
जी total number of who do not join a contesting political party within a prescribed period of 3 days. So this is what the proviso to sub rule 2 of 95 also says, that if those independents who within 3 days join a political party, they cease to be independents for the purposes of 94 read with 95(2), they shall not be excluded from the total number of general seats. It is only those who retain or who are independent.
That their status would be that of the members of that party which those independent joins.
तो उस वक्त वो हो जाएगा जब वो पार्टी ज्वाइन करेंगे, बट अगर वो पार्टी ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे या नहीं कर सकते हैं तो फिर उनका स्टेटस इंडिपेंडेंट ही ट्रीट होगा फॉर द पर्पसेस ऑफ वर्किंग आउट द फॉर्मूला ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ विच द प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इज टू बी इंश्योर्ड. What I am, अब एक दफा जरा दोबारा देखिएगा इसको 2002 को, because I understand that my lord's point was that after 2018 elections was preceded by this 2017 act.
That was the first general election, and it did not have the kind of dispute we have before us today. And as you are saying, all the seats, reserved seats, were filled in. So as far as present,
I'll place it.
That's like the vanilla type thing, you know. कोई झगड़ा नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, सिंबल मिल गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, इलेक्शन हो गया.
वो एक सेपरेट पार्ट है.
आप अभी वो नहीं, उसमें ये रूल लगे होंगे ना.
जी मैं
समझने में आसानी होगी. मैं सिर्फ इसलिए कह रहा हूँ, आप हमें बात जो समझाना चाह रहे हैं, मैं उस जरिए से ज्यादा बेहतर समझ.
ये आपने इनको इंडिपेंडेंट ट्रीट किया है ना
The ECP has, yes.
ये SIC वालों को।
जी।
तो अगर ये इंडिपेंडेंट आज भी हैं तो ये सब रूल 2 के मुताबिक तो ये शामिल हो ही नहीं सकते थे, तो इनको तो आप एक्सक्लूड करते हैं ना।
So they were excluded, sir.
नहीं, वो जो सीटें हैं वो तो आपने नहीं, उनकी सीटें तो आपने शामिल कर ली है ना देने के लिए दूसरों को।
सर नहीं, शामिल नहीं की हैं।
नहीं की हैं।
जो मैं जरा एक्सप्लेन करूं सर।
तो इंडिपेंडेंट पे सीट्स बनती थी, जो टोटल आपने रिजर्व सीट बनाई है वो इंडिपेंडेंट को अगर आप माइनस कर दें तो कम नहीं हो जाएंगी।
सर नहीं, ये
प्रोपोर्शनल जो आपका रिप्रेजेंटेशन सिस्टम है, जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को आपने दिए हैं, वो तो आप इनको शामिल नहीं कर रहे हैं ना। आप कह रहे हैं आप इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, मगर इनके हिस्सा आपने दूसरों को दे दिया है।
वो इसलिए अब मैं वापस आपको उस बात पर लेकर जाऊंगा।
मेरे जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है रूल 2 की, तो जो अगर इंडिपेंडेंट ज्वाइन नहीं करता तो वो शामिल ही नहीं होगा रेस।
तो वो लिस्ट में नहीं, सर वो लिस्ट
3 में शामिल होगा प्रोविजो में। वो कहता है कि हाँ शामिल हो गए, प्रोविजो को फिर सैंक्शन करता है कि यस,
वो अगर आप if you may kindly go back,
then it will be included, otherwise they will be excluded
जी from the total number of general seats।
जनरल सीट से, तो जनरल सीट से जब वो एक्सक्लूड हो गए तो फिर शेयर कैसे बन रहा है?
तो मैं वो एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ।
नहीं बन सकता ना प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन सिस्टम।
फार्मूला में सिर्फ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैविंग द मेंबर्स, बस वही होना।
So, sir, मैं इसको
फॉर द टोटल।
मैं इस पे क्लियर नहीं हूँ, प्लीज
मैं इस पे क्लियर करता हूँ सर। पहला तो ये प्रिंसिपल अगर क्लियर हो जाए that the objective being to fill the reserve seats, all the reserve seats, one
On the
political parties list is two.
That premise on which you building this argument is that as if this is a very large principle that they have to be filled. The larger principle is perhaps representativeness, but to which we'll come later. But could I request you to read 51D, which is very instructive, and from that will flow the law and the rules. उसमें आप जरा पढ़िएगा, and I want to make a comment on that because I think that gives an answer. The rules will have to align with
And they are aligned to it in my submission, but let's read it. Members to the seats reserved for women which are allocated to a province under clause 3 shall be elected in accordance with law through proportional representation system political parties list of candidates on the basis of total number of general seats secured by each political party from the province concerned in the National Assembly.
So my comment is that had this sub-article stopped at the word concern, things would have been as you say, that it remains within the political parties. But it says the seats, general seats secured by each political party from the province in the National Assembly. So the denomination goes to the whole set, the whole house. Had in the National Assembly not been there, my reading would be that then the matter could be resolved within the political parties. The minute you go in the National Assembly, then sort of it opens it up to the denomination changes.
No, so D is, if you read D with clause paragraph B, sir. Justice Munib Akhtar had pointed it out. You read D with B and E with C, and that will explain why province concerned in National Assembly and why in case of E only in the National Assembly has been used. There is a purpose, there is a reason, and why the term secured has also been used here. Justice Munib Akhtar had actually pointed out. In case of reserved seats for women, under paragraph B, each province shall be a single constituency for all reserved seats reserved for women which are allocated to the respective provinces. So
my point was simple, and maybe that's how I'm looking at it. I'm just saying that the total number of general seats that we need to understand कि political party को कितना मिला है, the denomination is the total number of seats in the house from that province. आप जो exclude करते हैं ना, the exclusion of independent doesn't flow from D. That's all I'm saying.
There is an inherent problem with what my lord, and with respect, my lord, there is an inherent problem there. And that problem is that if we apply what my lord has just observed, it will, in the case, it will, if there are X number of independents,
Yes.
which is equal to or more than the general seats required to fill in one reserve seat, if your this approach is applied, then inevitably one or more reserve seats will remain vacant.
वो इसलिए है ना,
So that is
and that thing has
Constitution does not
become
commit, sir.
quite, I mean, it's accentuated because of the fact of the independence being more. Otherwise, normally circumstance नहीं arrive करेगा, लेकिन we still have to go to the text of the
अब
Constitution.
let's नहीं, मैं तो purpose और text दोनों को देखें, मैं तो ख्याल में consistent है. Let me just explain आज के numbers पे, आज के numbers.
What my lord is asking, if the proviso is not included in D, उसका इफेक्ट ये होगा कि कोई भी इंडिपेंडेंट जो हुआ है वो फिर किसी पे ज्वाइन करे या ना करे, कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा उसको। वो सीट्स
Irrelevant हो जाएगा।
ओरिजिनल वोन सीट्स ऑफ द पार्टी will be in the formula.
That's right,
वो तो
sir.
फिर exclude हो जाएगा
And if I may take this further, let's for a moment assume that these 84 members or whatever the number who had joined the Sunni Ittihad Council have joined a political party. This then leaves us with 8 who have still retained independent status in this National Assembly. So in addition to this SIC, there are 8 who have retained independent status, including Mr. Gaur Ali Khan and several others.
Attorney General,
Now, isko zara
I just don't want to unnecessarily hammer on this point, but it's important because, you see, my problem with this is that the best way to solve this would be to have two set of calculations before us. One is excluding the independents and one not excluding the independent, having the larger denomination, and see how does the voting pattern in the assembly changes. If it's drastic, then we have a problem. If it, well, I don't know what the difference is. So we'll have to see the difference. That difference then changes the scheme of things as far as representativeness is concerned, because the independents are also potent force within the assembly. They could be voting on things. They could join a political party tomorrow. They could do whatever. You cannot just think that the independents are, lesser beings in the assembly. So I think for me it would be very easy if you give me a calculation of the whole thing with excluding the independents and with the independents. What's the difference that comes about? That could drastically change the way you have the voting pattern in the assembly, and that drastically affects the representativeness, which is, to my mind, still the larger principle.
That was,
I think if
chart is necessary, you see, there must be a chart.
मैं अभी आपको जरा एक पे लेके जाऊंगा।
जी साहब, अगर आप इसमें आर्टिकल 59 पढ़ लें जो सेनेट से मुतालिक है, सेनेट में तमाम मेंबर्स को वोट का हक दिया, इंक्लूडिंग द इंडिपेंडेंट्स। अगर आप ये दोनों मिला के पढ़ेंगे, देन आई थिंक देयर विल बी easier to understand what is this.
सर, आप पहला एक जो प्रिंसिपल है when we talk about the role of independence, and I will give you the example of, अब हम एक प्रोविंस को पिक करेंगे, let's say we pick पंजाब, province of Punjab for the
आप सबका बना के लिए
करने के लिए
Not बना दें, सब आसान हो
एक्चुअल
जाए।
पोजीशन
Sir, I